Hi there, I'm Java Jim with 1st-line Equipment. And today I am wearing my normal Halloween costume because I dress this way every day. So we're going to have a little fun beverage that you can enjoy prior to Halloween or during Halloween and maybe even after Halloween. Some of the simple ingredients that you will need will be your favorite milk in a pitcher, nice and cold. The pitcher typically will be filled about a third or halfway. Get some pumpkin pie syrup. May be a little difficult as you get closer to Halloween, but if you can find it, or a pumpkin spice, and a nice little Kit Kat bar that you can insert. Two ways to do it. You could break it in, crumble it up, and throw it in, or you could just insert it in from the top and let it melt inside the cappuccino or a latte. Today we're going to try to make more of a latte. And then also get your nice cup. On this side, it has the facial expression there, and then this side it says trick or treat. We don't want any tricks, we want some good treats. So let's get started. We're going to use a Bellezza Inizio espresso and cappuccino machine to make the espresso and heat up the milk. And let's get started right now, because this one's pretty simple and one that you can enjoy at home with a nice espresso machine. Okay, first step you're going to do is, of course, have a nice clean mug. Let's get a little hot water in there from the machine. It's already starting to refill. Reason is you want a nice hot beverage, so you want to heat up the cup. Put that on the side where that's heating. And then also the shot glass that you'll use, you want to heat that up just for a few seconds. While that's happening, we're going to grind some coffee here. If you watch my other videos, I do like to overdose. Use my finger for leveling, do a little tapping. Try to make the coffee level the same as the top rim of the basket. You can even shake it like that. Again, portafilter nice and hot where you can't touch. We're using the Maycap Leo Essential Grinder. Okay, take our tamp. I get a lot of complaints from people who don't like my tamping and knocking. Do what works best for you on your machine and your grinder. Okay, when you're tamping, you're compressing anyway into a large compacted puck. Okay, some good force. We'll lock that in. Okay, we have a flow control device here. We're going to dry our cup up, because now the cup is nice and warm. We'll start the shot with full open on the flow control device. It has pre-infusion on this machine. And look at that pour. So if we want to slow it down, we're going to bring the flow control down to lessen the flow. And we're pulling about 4 bar there. And then we're at 27 seconds. We can stop the shot. So there's your manual valve that opens up so you can remove the portafilter real quick. And then for the milk, you could do this 2 ways. You could pour the syrup into the milk beforehand, or you could pour it into the cup. I like to get a little better blending, and I typically free pour. Just like my alcohol, I free pour it. And this is non-alcoholic, just to let you know, pumpkin pie. This one's by Torani. You could buy it in your local store, maybe supermarket. Bleed the wand and tilt the tip there. Now you can even go like this as well, because I'm going to remove this water here. I'm going to dry this cup up as well. And there is a little action going on there. I'm going to pour this in here. Going to get my Kit Kat. Again, if you want to break it up, you can put it in there. And if you hear that swishing sound, and I can see the movement of the Kit Kat in there, and it's actually creating like a little bit of a chocolate micro froth. And I could throw the other one inside, pour, Okay, we're getting some good microfrost there. And now we're ready for a nice treat. You see, it's very simple technique and recipe here. Happy Halloween, and let's enjoy the treat because there are no tricks. Let's give this a nice taste. Delicious. Anything that's sweetened is always delicious. Once again, Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Thank you for watching. Happy Halloween. Please subscribe to our different social media channels. And as we always say, coffee first, everything else second. Take care. Have a good day.